All right, if you're a small business owner, you've got to think about internal fraud. No matter how much you love or trust your employees, it could happen. George Yamamoto from Bank of Hawaii is here. He's seen it happen. George, thanks for coming in.
Thanks, Steve.
So fraud, internal fraud like this is something that you deal with on a regular basis, right?
Yes, Steve. And with many of the smaller businesses, the bookkeeping is left to a single employee, and that employee is entrusted with the checkbook, the sales records, and balancing the books. So basically, that employee is in total control of the company finances. So the suggestion is to have at least two people on the books, one to issue the checks and the other one to reconcile and balance the books. Having two people on the books reduces the opportunity for fraud to be committed.
Okay, so when you say something like that, reduces the opportunity, what exactly are you saying?
Okay, opportunity is one thing that employers can control when it comes to internal fraud. They can't control the motive or the rationalization, but employers can control the opportunity. To control opportunities, they can basically have policies, procedures, and internal control measures in place, specifically to thwart internal fraud. In doing so, employees are less tempted to go down that line.
Yeah. Okay, so now it's actually harder, and you mentioned this, because everybody loves their employees, they trust them. There's only a few of them in the workplace. So how do you, if you suspect it, what do you do without making it awkward, just in case it's not actually happening, you know?
Yeah, the first step is to review the sales records and books, okay, and to compare it with the bank transactions, bank statements. They can further review supporting invoice documents for outgoing bill payments and incoming receipts of revenue. So all these documents are interrelated and should match up. Bottom line is make sure the books are matched.
All right. By the way, Bank of Hawaii is going to have a number of seminars about this very topic in case you are a small business owner, because this is some of the stuff that you need to know about. George, thanks for coming in.
Thanks, Steve.
Appreciate it, buddy. All the information about this is going to be on our website, hawaiinewsnow.com. You guys stick around for more. You're watching Sunrise.